welcome to my bathroom renovation and tour video. I am so happy to finally be sharing my bathroom with you. So I actually mentioned a couple of vlogs ago that we was doing our bathroom, and we started the bathroom at the beginning of this year. Yes, I know we're in August and we've just completed it. That's because we was doing it ourselves. And when we kept stopping for like money reasons, or we had a lot of problems basically, because you will see the bathroom, we fitted the bath and everything ourselves. We got an electrician in for the jacuzzi bath. But yes, anyway, I've been in this house a year, and when we moved in it was a very basic room. I have no footage of what it looked like before. I don't think I've got any photos either, to be quite honest. But the room was carpeted for one in bathroom. I hate that. It had a really basic sink, toilet and a bath, and it also had in one of the corners a makeshift cupboard, which was built, I'm guessing the owner maybe built it themselves, or a previous owner had built it themselves, because it was seriously makeshift. I mean, you put something in and it wobbled. It was not safe at all. But unfortunately we did have a lot of problems in the bathroom thinking of storage ideas, because before there was that cupboard, and we haven't got an airing cupboard in our house, so we was really struggling with where everything's going to go, and we still are struggling. There's still a couple of things left, maybe to buy a storage basket, and we also still need to change the light in the bathroom, but everything else has been done. So if you're ready, I will take you through to the bathroom. So here I am stood at the door, and it is really echoey in here, so I hope it's okay. Here is a clip I took for a vlog when the room was completely empty, so we took absolutely everything off. There was tiles on the wall, we took them off, we took the flooring off, so here you go. It's the outside of our new bath, that's why that's just in there, because that's where that's going. Can you see? And around here we've got a massive hole in the wall. So, you know, it's not quite great, but I'm going to hopefully be filming the... So this is the current bathroom situation. As you can see, we have had tiles added to the wall. Anthony's dad did this all by himself. So this is the tile that was left over by his sister, who didn't want her to have this tiles anymore. So we have them. We've got a grey grout to go in them, and they've done a really good job. And as you can see where it goes up to, all the way around. The flooring is brand new as well, recently done. It's a mess in here because we've still got some stuff to sort out. So as you can see, the bath, which I don't think I showed the bath last time, but yeah, loads of tools all over the place, ignore that. That's not quite connected up yet, but as you can see, we've got a jacuzzi bath, which takes up a lot of room. We've got a sink, obviously no sink actually there, because that's the sink for it, and there's the toilet. Currently the toilet is plugged up. The toilet is connected up and does work. That's the only thing in here that does work so far, as you can see. This is the situation for the sink. There is no pipes connected. So yeah, that is it so far. Oh, and that has been put in as well, the towel rail, which is really quite tall. My appearance, but I've just been cleaning the bathroom, and if you can hear, I've got the jacuzzi going on the bath because I've cleaned it all. Everything's in, I think, like you saw. I've added all the accessories, and I'm just cleaning the bath, and I'm just running the jacuzzi, because it's a jacuzzi one. I want to run it through and make sure there's no dirt and grime in the jacuzzi, so I'm just running it. It feels good to finally have it sorted. My bathroom. As you can see, you got the door door right here, and if I show you up there, like I said, we had to makeshift a lot of storage. So these are hooks here from my IKEA. The IKEA haul went up a couple of weeks ago, so this is where we keep some towels. The theme, blue. So the theme in this bathroom was grey. It was grey and sleek, and I wanted it to feel a bit spa-like. So yes, it's quite a small room. So I'm going to take you off the tripod and actually give you a proper tour around. So this is the view as you walk into the bathroom. We've literally, I said we changed everything. That even includes the pull cord for the light. So this is just an overview of my bathroom. Like I said, it's quite small, so I'm actually going to shut this door. We even got new door handles, so yes. So Anthony and his dad did all of the tiles themselves. These were his sister's, which she no longer wanted. They grouted it themselves. Me and my mum painted the walls and the ceiling again. This radiator, it is a heated radiator. Let me give you a full view because it's quite big actually. So Anthony's mum bought this, but she no longer wanted it. It's not actually connected up yet, but you get the gist, it will be one day. Yeah, and I really like that, it just gives that wall something there. So this is our bath. Now, this is a jacuzzi bath that was Anthony's mum's, but she can't use it in a new house, so we took it on. This obviously is electric, so we had to get an electrician in to sort it all out, but I absolutely love this bath. It's got jets and like lights, so it is super cool, and it has like the jets and things as well. So the flooring in here is from, I think it's Floors For You, I will link it below. A lot of the accessories in here, by the way, are from IKEA or Dunelm. I really like this floor, especially for photo props, it's really good. So the windowsill has just got some cactuses on it. They're pretty dead, to be honest, at the moment, but they're there. So this mirror here on this wall is, again, it was Anthony's mum's, but it's just a nice size and it's pretty. So sink, a very basic sink. This jar I've had for ages. This is from her H&M home, IKEA. I'm not sure where this tub is from. This is quite a small sink. I mean, it's got storage, but this tap was brand new. It literally been installed about a week ago. It is a waterfall tap. As you can see, did you see that colour? It changes colour with the temperature. So blue for cold, but that's and storage down here. Oh, do I dare open it? So Anthony's tools for still finish off the bathroom. I've got some cleaning products, and then I've got a few of my beauty kind of shower and bath products. I will just say, we do also have a small bathroom downstairs which has a shower in it. So we shower downstairs when we need to shower, and this is just like a nice bathroom for bathing in. Just a disclaimer there. And then my toilet is still, yeah, brand new, smelly, bin. And I really like my toilet roll holder. I know this sounds ridiculous, but when you get a house, you understand these things. Like, you need somewhere to put toilet roll. Yeah. So that is my bathroom. As you can see from before, it was an absolute mess. And I'm so glad we finally got it sorted. It's been a seriously long time coming. And we've just wanted to finish off the final things, such as lights and door handles. So yeah, it's just a radiator to go and the lights, and we will be getting a blind as well for the window when it gets darker at night. But I love it. It's a nice place to come and relax in the bath, and I'm absolutely loving it. So that is it for my bathroom renovation and tour video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.